welcome back to my channel. I have been binging the shit out of these videos where people go to like Amazon return warehouses and do Amazon hauls of like Amazon mystery boxes, and I feel like they're so hit or miss where they're either getting like toilet paper and foil, or like sometimes it's cool electronics, but I feel like that's just not me, that's just not us. So I wanted to see if there was some kind of wholesaler situation that would be a better fit for us. So I found this incredible vintage wholesaler that sells clothing by the pound, and I feel like I have zero concept of how much clothing actually weighs, so I have no expectations for how many pieces I'm gonna be getting. I have no idea. I genuinely have no idea how much clothing weighs. So we're gonna do 100 pounds of clothing to see if it's worth it. I think it's gonna end up being like around $1,000. I also have brand new merch dropping tomorrow on Valentine's Day, February 14th, and this merch drop has something really special that I've been working on for like 6 months. You guys know that I did a moose plushie like 2 or 3 years ago. It's been forever. So I've been working on another kawaii plushie, and he turned out so cute. It's this little love letter plushie. He's got the cutest little face on him. It is so squishy. It's very like Squishmallow-esque. I essentially told our manufacturer to go touch every Squishmallow that they could possibly find and make it like that but better. So this is what was born, newest plushie. I'm very excited. So this will be on sale tomorrow, February 14th, along with a few other pieces. So I will have the link for that in the description box below. And let's order 100 pounds of vintage clothes. Okay, here we go. Thrift of vintage fashion. Wholesaling vintage fashion for over 30 years. We've got mystery packs, wholesale lots. We buy recycled clothes, you buy recycled clothes, and we donate what's left. Sustainability at its best. Love it. Okay, here is the mix. So we've got wholesale brand name mix, 25 pounds, $2.50. And we've also got wholesale pro sports and college mix. I feel like some of the highest priced vintage pieces are like the collegiate oversized vintage sweaters. So I'm thinking 2 boxes of each. So 50 pounds of brand name mix, 50 pounds of pro sports and college mix. Okay, cute. Some Tommy Hilfiger for sure. Adidas, Lacoste, Champion, Ralph Lauren, North Face. Okay, so I'm gonna add 25 to the carts. Another 25 pounds to the cart. This is such like a weird thing, like shopping by the pound. Like I have no concept of what this means. Okay, our pro, college, and sports mix. Steelers, Bulls, Kentucky, NBA, Miami Packers, Ohio State. Oh, I'm so excited. I love me an oversized collegiate sweater. 25 pounds into the cart. Another 25 pounds into the cart. I'm a little nervous for the shipping situation on 100 pounds of clothing. Like that seems, 1, overwhelming to even bring in the front door. Tippy Tappy's entering. Hi, buddies. 2, seems like a poor nightmare for the poor soul that has to drag that out of their delivery truck, and seems like an expensive add-on fee that I feel like we're gonna have to navigate in a moment. Just found a spot that says that their customers are LF, Glassons, Urban Outfitters, and Topshop. I can't decide if I feel like I've just hacked the system because I have spent so much money, specifically at LF and Urban Outfitters, on like vintage vibes, shirts and tops and sweaters. I'm halfway between salty and stoked that I've hacked the system. So I'm gonna be the guinea pig to see if this is gonna be worth it, because I mean, I don't think everyone needs 100 pounds, but I'm hoping that it'll give us like a overview of the possibility to see if this is gonna be worth it, because LF and Urban Outfitters and Topshop, I don't know much about Glassons, but like, damn. I just outed y'all. Okay, $1,000, check out. Just saved 100 bucks. There's a discount code just like chilling on the top banner of the website. Shipping is free? Shut the f up right now. You're telling me right now that shipping is free and I just saved 100 bucks? I am genuinely shocked. Okay, pay now. All right, y'all, the deed is done, 5 to 8 business days, and now we wait. Okay, genuinely so curious. How much does one XL Wild Till 9 sweater weigh? Nothing, because I don't know how to make my scale work. Ooh, 1 pound and 0.6 ounces. Holy shit, wait, so 100 pounds is 100 sweaters potentially? My dream. Here's an unbothered and thriving Remy merch. 2 pounds and 3.8 ounces. This is a really, really thick, matte, happy sweater. This one's gotta be a lot. Okay, so that one was like 2 pounds. 5 sweaters is like a little bit over 6 pounds. Oh my god, we are getting so much shade. Plus a Craftopia sweater, 7. Okay, we've got like a vintage oversized shirt and like a little tiny aloe shirt. Holy shit, we're gonna get so much stuff. Let's see how much one little shirt weighs. Like one little vintage, 1XL vintage t-shirt weighs 8.7 ounces, not even a pound. Holy shit, we're gonna get so much stuff. I don't even know what to do with myself right now. So like, obviously I love sweaters, but I'm not gonna keep all of them. I shouldn't just say sweaters. It's gonna be like shirts, button-ups, pants, t-shirts, but I do have a really great women's shelter in mind to take, like maybe I'll keep like 4 pounds of it and we can donate 96 pounds. We'll figure that out though once we get everything. Oh my god, today is the day. Oh, momentum. Oh my god, I feel like the weight of this box just crushing my desk. We have 2 of these. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. The very nice mailman actually helped me push them in through the door, which was so nice. I felt really bad as he like had to wheel them up on his little dolly up my front stairs. Bless his soul. Also, a moment for shameless self-promo. I've got merch launching tomorrow. We've got the emotional hangover sweater in celebration of being a Scentsy bitch. These are gonna go fast. It's happening tomorrow, Valentine's Day, so stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, let's roll the sleeves up. Oh my god. Moment of truth, moment of truth. We've got red, lots of red, not quite my color. Oh god. Oh no, first impressions are not great. She's okay. She's a red polo with a little stripe moment here. A Patriot in like a chic dad. Boston Red Sox. I'm not a polo kind of bitch. Oh, this is kind of cute. Georgetown, and it's got a little like open front bone with buttons. Old school.
Huge stain.
Does it?
Coming up on camera.
Oh my god. She's truly vintage. Oh, this is terrifying. This is for sure a DIY moment of like making a new hem. Not quite my style. Feeling a little underwhelmed if I'm being honest. It could have been so cute if it wasn't freaking chopped at the sleeves. Oh my god, there's so much gross shit on here. We've got a little extra spice on this one. Okay, not for me, but this is kind of cute. Like, it's very vintagey, very like varsity. Oh, this is kind of cute actually. Like, that's got potential to be something. Not quite my colors, but like the vibe is really cute. Say go Broncos go. This is actually kind of cute. When I tell you this is the scratchiest piece of clothing that I have ever felt in my entire life.
I feel like someone might have knit that.
Oh my god, you're so right. Wait, that's so wholesome. Thank you, Granny of the world. Also, this pile is getting real high. The fact that there's still a whole other box, oh my god. Whoa, this is a heavy piece. Oh my god, this is a full-up jacket. Not a Dolphins fan, but kind of cool. Seth Rubin, if this is your jacket, call me.
Seth Rubin's mom for sure wrote that.
Yeah, Seth Rubin's mom for sure was all over this. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, sharp tools falling. So that first box was the varsity box. This is supposed to be the brand name box. And so we'll see what that means in terms of like brand name. Going into this, I'm not super stoked. I don't know, I hope this box is better. What I will say is that they really crammed this thing to the very tippy top. Okay, Ralph Lauren. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god, cute. Oh my god, allergic to dust in vintage boxes. These are real vintage, and I know that because I owned these when I was 10. Okay, didn't own these ones specifically, but like the ability to rip your pants off with like just the snaps. Oh my god, the mems. Okay, this is not my style, but I know that like thrifty girls would for sure love this jacket. Champion jacket, Adidas jacket, Columbia sweater. This one's in pretty good condition actually. Oh, we got a winner! G-Unit, baby! Raw materials heavyweight. I mean, obviously in the winning pile.
It says Big Daddy.
It does.
Big
Did I miss that?
Yeah.
Big Daddy? I mean, someone would come across in a thrift store and be like, absolutely. We'll throw it in this pile just for the shits and gigs. Oh my god, this is a Pepsi jersey. I'm a Coke bitch over Pepsi, but kinda cute. And our last piece. I need to like gather my thoughts, but I need to gather my thoughts. Guest clothing appraiser, Mr. Moose. Okay, so here are the faves from each box. And this is just like my favorites based on my own personal style and things that I also think have DIY potential. So there's 10 from the varsity box and 6 pieces from the designer brand name box. So first we've got the Detroit Red Wings. I think anything like in this varsity style is really cute and easy to be crafted with. This one is a long sleeve polo with a hood. Baudouin. I feel like I've got a lot of custom pieces from people who have like had their names embroidered / like their mom has written their name on them. So cute. Also just like a really good quality piece. This t-shirt jersey for Iowa. This is just like a very basic Reebok waffle shirt. I've never seen as many thermal shirts as I have today. Oh my god. But this is giving like very much chill branded like Urban Outfitters waffle shirt. This next one, San Francisco Giants. I love a varsity tee that like actually has kind of like the worn texture of the logo. This one too is just like a plain MLB Yankee shirt. Definitely has a bit of a DIY hem going on over here, which I don't mind. I can respect it. I actually love this one. I don't know what it is about it, but it's really cute. The Pittsburgh Penguins. Pirates. This one had so much potential. I'm so bummed that there wasn't a single varsity crew neck sweater in here that was really cute. And this was the closest thing that we got to that. Again, there's a very DIY hem going on the arm seam. Could have been so cute. Could have been so cute. But this still has like so much fabric and major DIY potential. And our favorite, this hand knit Go Broncos Go sweater. Upon deeper examination, this is 100% just like a homemade knit sweater, and it's so adorable and wholesome. I would die to know whose grandma knit that. And then the last piece from the varsity box is this Everlast shirt. And again, I think we've got some DIY stitching going on over here, but it's really well done, so I can appreciate and respect that. And then on the brand name side, which honestly I can't tell which side was more disappointing, we've got these Champion sweatpants, which I think had to be a collaboration with Coca-Cola. But these are very much just like giving Urban Outfitters. Okay, so learn from my mistakes. If you're looking for this brand, Big Daddy, BigDaddy.com is in fact a very inappropriate website that I don't recommend on clicking. I was trying to find a resale value for this, didn't find it, did find many Big Daddies. This like sweater vest trend has been so popular. Like I feel like all the TikTok fashion girlies are wearing this style, and personally it's not for me, but I do think it's really cute. It's like a cute color scheme, and I think it's got major potential. This one is just like a plain Nike sweater t-shirt, but this definitely has like resale value. Again, I'm a Coke girly, but this is kind of fun. I think the jersey shape has been really popular for styling. And then last but not least, we've got another sweater vest, and this one's really cute, and just like a nice dark green color in Reebok. Are these boxes actually 100 pounds? So the box itself is just over 2 pounds. And we're gonna attempt to see if this poor little scale, oh my, can bear the weight of the box. I'm worried that it's just like hanging off onto the you can't see the poor little scale. Oh, is it not touching anywhere? 40 pounds and 15 ounces. Bamboozled! It's really fluctuating between 40 and 41 here. Either way, bitch, that's not 50. Okay, well maybe the other box has like jackets and stuff, and it'll get us up to 100. Oh my god, bamboozled! 44 pounds and really fluctuating blinky ounces. Bamboozled! 44 plus 41, 85, minus like 4 pounds for boxes. Some bullshit! And $1,000, honestly, that's the worst part. Oh my god! Alright y'all, here is the tee. We've got 123 pieces total at $1,000. But the tee is that 23 of those pieces stained. That's a 19% stain rate. So that maths out to $10 a piece. The math do be mathin'. Not only did the website claim that these boxes were going to be 50 pounds each, but they also claimed that there'd be a 15% max stain rate. We're sitting at a 19%. I don't love that for us. So getting a little more granular, we've got the varsity box, $500. I will say, I think the varsity box had the most potential in terms of resale value and also DIY-able pieces. If you're down to like put some studs on things, if you're down to like iron on some patches, there's some massive potential to flip some of these varsity pieces, especially because people are searching specifically for their favorite teams. And then the brand name box, I was so disappointed, like genuinely disappointed. And I think overall there wasn't one standout piece that I was like, this is the piece de la resistance. Like there wasn't a standout piece that I was so obsessed with. So we did some tallying. We've got 8 Nike pieces, 11 Ralph Lauren, 6 Adidas, 5 Columbia, 5 Champion, 2 Fila, 2 Patagonia, 2 Reebok, 2 Tommy Hilfiger, 2 Carhartt, and 1 Levi, and then a bunch of other random shit that was not really brand name. There were just so many basics. Like if I see one more Ralph Lauren thermal long sleeve waffle shirt, bitch. And just looking at eBay and Poshmark and even just like in my thrifting experience, those types of pieces really only retail between $5 and $10. So I genuinely, even with a shit ton of work, like maybe, but it would be a major risk, I don't think you could even break even on buying this brand name box. And I think closing remarks, the conclusion is that this is a majorly risky investment that I would not recommend. There wasn't a single piece that I was like, I love this so much that I think this is worth it. If you've got a side hustle of flipping and reselling, I definitely think you're so much better off hand choosing your pieces at a thrift store, because this was quantity over quality. All right guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I love being the guinea pig on behalf of all of us. So if there's any like weird situations where we can put my credit card in jeopardy instead of yours, I'm absolutely open to doing that. I will see you on Tuesday for a new episode of Well to 9 on the vlog channel, and again in May next week, maybe the week after on Sunday for another video. Bye guys!